AI SEO optimization marketing strategies. Staying ahead of the curve is paramount for marketers and businesses alike. The fusion of artificial intelligence, AI, with search engine optimization, SEO, is not just a trend but a revolutionary approach to reshaping digital marketing strategies. AI SEO optimization marks the dawn of an era where technology meets creativity, offering unprecedented opportunities to enhance online visibility and drive organic traffic. The AI advantage in SEO. AI transforms SEO strategies from guesswork into precise, data-driven methodologies. By harnessing the power of AI, businesses can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, identifying patterns and insights that were previously inaccessible. This enables the creation of more targeted, relevant content, ensuring that your website not only attracts but also retains the right audience. Personalization at scale. One of the most compelling benefits of AI in SEO is its ability to personalize content at scale. AI algorithms analyze user behavior, preferences, and search history to tailor content, making each interaction more relevant and engaging. This level of personalization enhances the user experience, significantly boosting the likelihood of conversions and loyalty. Keyword optimization reimagined. Gone are the days of painstakingly researching and guessing the right keywords. AI tools now offer predictive analysis, suggesting keywords and topics with high potential based on trending data and competitor performance. This not only saves time, but also increases the effectiveness of your SEO efforts, ensuring your content ranks higher on search engine results pages. Content creation with AI Chat GPT for article writing. Creating content that resonates with your audience is crucial. AI's ability to generate content ideas, suggest improvements, and even write compelling copy can be a game changer. While it's not a replacement for human creativity, AI can significantly enhance the content creation process, ensuring your message is both powerful and SEO-friendly. Overcoming SEO challenges. Despite its advantages, integrating AI into your SEO strategy may seem daunting. Concerns about cost, complexity, and the learning curve can be barriers. However, the long-term benefits far outweigh these initial challenges. By starting small and gradually increasing your use of AI tools, you can streamline processes, improve efficiency, and see a notable difference in your SEO performance. The future is now. As AI continues to evolve, its impact on SEO will only grow. Embracing AI SEO optimization is not just about keeping up with trends, it's about setting yourself apart in a competitive digital world. Whether you're a small business or a large corporation, the integration of AI into your SEO strategy is a step towards future-proofing your online presence. Embrace AI, transform your SEO. In conclusion, AI SEO optimization is more than just a buzzword. It's a strategic approach that leverages cutting-edge technology to enhance digital marketing efforts. From personalization to content creation, AI offers a range of tools that can transform your SEO strategy, making it more efficient, effective, and aligned with your business goals. Ready to revolutionize your SEO strategy? Ultimate Article and SEO Writer. If you're ready to take your SEO strategy to the next level and harness the full power of AI, look no further than our custom GPT Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard. Designed to seamlessly integrate AI technology into your digital marketing efforts, our wizard empowers you to stay ahead of the curve and transform your online presence like never before. With the GPT Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard, you can generate high-quality, SEO-optimized content effortlessly, uncover valuable insights and trends to inform your SEO strategy, personalize content at scale to enhance user engagement and drive conversions, streamline keyword research and optimization for maximum impact on search engine rankings, embrace the future of digital marketing with our cutting-edge AI tool, and watch your online presence soar to new heights. Remember, the journey to AI integration in SEO is a marathon, not a sprint. Start small, learn continuously, and unlock the full potential of your SEO strategy with our GPT Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard. Conclusion. Curious about how our GPT Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard can revolutionize your SEO strategy? Start exploring the possibilities today and unlock the full potential of your online presence. Embrace the future of digital marketing with our AI-powered solution and elevate your SEO efforts to new heights. Ready to transform your SEO strategy with our custom GPT Ultimate Article and SEO Wizard? Get started now and unleash the power of AI in your digital marketing endeavors. If you would like to take the ultimate article and SEO wizard for a test drive, the link is pinned in the comments.